Howdy folks! I wanted to reach out and explain what we do here at the EcoStore. Our main goal is to offer our customers as many ways as we can to conserve our precious resources by focusing on water conservation systems, energy conservation systems, and eco-friendly products. One way to conserve water is with the Eco Gray Water Filtration System. Capture and filter the water from your shower and/or washing machine, then use it to water your landscape. This system is a simple yet effective design which pumps directly to the tank, which can be stored above or below ground. The water flows through a two-stage filter and then is pumped automatically to drip irrigation placed around your yard. The water can be used to irrigate fruit trees, landscape, and decorative plants. We design and install rain catchment systems which can capture rainwater from your roof, gutters, and even driveways for storage during drier seasons. We offer free consultations to determine what system would work best for you. We also design and install integrated water systems, which combines our gray water filtration with rainwater harvested from roof or tanks to flush your system and provide deep watering during the wet season. The EcoStore also has home water filtration. To provide fresh water at every tap, we provide solutions for both municipal water to remove chlorine and chlorine, as well as well water to remove iron, manganese, and sulfur. We specialize in salt-free water conditioning to treat hard water to protect your pipes, fixtures, and appliances. Energy conservation and sustainability is also one of our specialties. We provide energy solutions for emergency backup, off-grid and on-grid solar systems, as well as supplies for DIYers. We have partnered with Generac Power Solutions to provide home standby generators. As a dealer and service provider, we can install, maintain, and repair Generac generators, one of the best in the industry, giving you power when there's an outage for your whole home or only critical loads. The EcoStore also designs solar systems for off-grid situations, including RVs and trailers, as well as tiny homes and outbuildings. Bring power and autonomy where utility power is not available. We design systems based on your needs and requirements. As a partner with Power Energy, we can design large-scale solar systems to power your home as well, reduce dependence on the grid, and provide a fixed, predictable cost of energy over the next 25 to 30 years. Power works with local installers and provides a 30-year warranty on the systems they install, one of the best in the industry. For our DIYers, we have many options for equipment: Victron, Renogy, Briggs & Stratton, Generac, Enphase, and BioLite. We provide information and help designing and diagnosing solar systems too. We also provide upgrades in both water and air heating and cooling systems. Increase your energy efficiency by installing a tankless water heater, radiant floor, heat pump, or heat exchange system. The EcoStore also stocks many eco-friendly products. We have e-bikes available for rechargeable transportation. We also have a refill center where you can bring or buy a container for biodegradable soaps, laundry detergent, shampoos, and cleaning products. We even have refillable oils and other natural products. We feature Young Living essential oils, blends, and products, as well as gifts and jewelry from Trades of Hope. Help men, women, and children around the world escape poverty and trafficking by giving gifts which make a difference. The EcoStore is also partnered with BioLite, a company dedicated to providing innovative power solutions for you and energy infrastructure for people in need in Africa. Their products are rechargeable, powering USB devices from solar or heat, meant for people on the go or those enjoying the outdoors. We look forward to answering any questions you may have. Stop in or give us a call. See you soon!